Hello, today at Kaare's Kitchen we are going to make some sourdough bread with some nuts and seeds. Very simple recipe. I'm adding my sourdough starter and then some wheat flour and some bread flour. I add in the nuts and seeds with a little bit of salt and olive oil and into the mixer for 15 minutes. I'm folding the dough into a tight ball, then cover it up and let it double in size. It takes about maybe 2 to 3 hours. Beautiful. Form the bread into whatever shape that you want. I am doing it in a ball. I wet my hands to shape the dough. I don't use flour. I just use water. You can also use some olive oil. I'm wetting the top with some water and sprinkling some nuts on top. Then I let it rise again a second time and then into the oven. Look at that beauty. All nice and baked, ready for consumption. Delicious.